So hello guys, welcome to the Python lecture. In this lecture video, we will learn to create a file of our Python program. Okay. Until now we have learned to write our program in Python shell and do inline execution. But as soon as we close our Python shell window, then our program is vanished. Okay. Let me show you once what it actually does. Okay. We write one statement, and when we press enter, it just execute our program in the next line. See, we get our result, and for printing the value or getting value, we just write as enter, and it will show me output. Now when we close the window of Python shell, then our whole program is vanished. There is no backup file saved for our program that we have written earlier. Okay, so this is not generally used for the coding purpose, and the main purpose of the Python shell is just to testing and debugging the code. Okay, now see actually where we have to write our Python programs. So first we have to go to the new file from here, and then this window is open. So in this window we have to write our whole program at once, and after the completion of program we have to save it to the .py file. .py is the extension of the Python file. Okay, so let me write a program here. Now from here we have to save our Python file. Okay, take any name and save it as a Python file. Now we have to run this from the run button, or we can also click F5 button for run this module. See, we get our output. So let me take the inputs. See, we get our whole output. Yeah. So here you can see my Python file is created on desktop. So if you don't want to run your program through the Python shell, then you can also double click on this file and you will get the output. Okay, see, one more thing, that if you created a Python program file, then you can also run it through the command. Let me show you by running it through the command. Now here we have to go to the location where we have saved our Python file. Okay, now input the Python file name and press enter. See, we get our output. Let me take the inputs. See, we have get our exact output. Fine. And for experiencing better environment and for development purpose, you can use various IDE which are available on the internet. I'll suggest to use PyCharm because it is very easy to use, and I personally use it. Let me show you once. For downloading this application, I have attached a link in the description, so you can directly download from there. If anyone have any problem during the installation of the PyCharm, then you can comment below. I will help you out. Okay. Let me show you its function by writing a small program. Okay. So from here the run button, you can get the output in the below. Okay. Fine. Hope now it's clear to all how to create your Python file and execute it with different platforms. Okay. So keep practicing, keep learning. If anyone have any doubt, then comment below. I will help you out. So hope to see you in the next lecture. Bye bye. Have a good day.